Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top new collection RC cars for X for review 2025.
Number 4.
Description: the car headlight can be lighted. Functions: forward, backward, left turn, right turn, proportional remote control to stage transmission, remote control to control headlights. This car is not a speed car, but a skilled car. Its best skill is to challenge any rugged road. Great strength for the car to move through any rugged road, sand, mud, rock, rugged mountain road. The car can move to a long distance and satisfied your wish.
Number 3.
Function: 1. Using the simulation structure design, with the control feeling of the real car, to achieve full-scale continuously variable speed. 2. Applicable site: flat, sandy, mud, grass. 3. Four-wheel drive, before and after the vertical spring shock absorption. 4. 2.4G full proportional synchronous remote control system. Full throttle, steering.
Number 2.
JJRC 112 full-scale RC car MN82. Upgraded MN8 to Pro controllable headlights to 4G for WD off-road car pickup truck toy for kids gifts. Product number: MN82, MN82 Pro, MN82S Pro. Product name: 112 to 4G full-scale for WD remote control model car pickup truck. Product size: 36*15.5*15.5 centimeters. Vehicle battery: 74V500 mAh. Motor: 280 motor. Servo: 17G waterproof servo.
Number 1.
Experience thrilling off-road action with this 1/16th scale for X4C car, reaching speeds up to 70 km/h. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, LED headlights, and rugged tires, it delivers high-speed performance on any terrain. Perfect gift for boys and RC enthusiasts seeking adrenaline-pumping fun.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.